Hello friends, and welcome to this video as we look at data visualization with Power BI. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use a CAD visual. My name is Mercy Consolata Kello. Let's get started. So a CAD visual allows you to visualize one single variable, and then we're also looking at multi-row CAD, which allows you to display more than one variable. So let's take a look. If you have your canvas here, you can just come over to the visualization pane and then choose CAD. Once you have it on your canvas, now you look for the variable you want to display. In our case, we are looking at the speed of answer in seconds. So we have this, and we want to take a look at the average, not the sum. So we have that. And just like that, you have your CAD visual created. Next, let's look at how you can create the multi-row CAD. You can go through the same process, but since I want this variable to be kept, I'm just going to copy and paste. So let's have this placed here, and then we change it to a multi-row CAD, and then we are adding the agent to the field. So we just check that box and the agent is added. You can adjust this by just dragging them and relocating them. Now we have the agent on top and then average speed below. Okay, and we can expand this. Okay, so you have your two visuals created. Now for the formatting, you can come over to the visualization pane and select format your visual. And once you're here, you can just make adjustments to these values. So call out value, you're making it bold. And then for the category level, we turn them off. And then for the card, I think that can remain as is. We just make this bold. Can increase the font here slightly. So that's that. Then there are these vertical bars on the side. Those are the accent bars. They are on, so we can turn them off if you do not want them. But if you want them, you can have them on, and then just adjust their width. You can change the color. That is that. You're basically done, except you can cross over to general. Then we can turn on title. And for the title, what we want it to read is average speed of answer by agent. Okay, can make the title bold, and that's that. Now for this other visual, the card visual, we can come over to this. We don't need a title here. Come back to visual. You have the call out value. Just make it bold. And then for the call out category, we can also make it bold and change the font color to black. You could also change the font type or font style. So we go with Arial, and we have that. Now for this, we can give it some sort of border. Come over to general under effects and then turn on border. And then want to make the border rounded, so increase this, and that can work. Likewise here, can come over to general effects, visual border turn on, and then for the multi-row CAD, it is advisable from my own experience that you stick to only 2 or 3 variables to avoid crowding the visual and losing the message as well as your audience. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.